Hey guys, good morning. Now it is 9:24 and I'm on my way to the site where I'm working on. So these are the things I want to go drop with food and water and all of that. So this is the first time I'm going to drive on my own, with no adult supervision. My parents are not in the car, just me and the car. I'm kind of shivering, but I think I got this. So I'm going to make a video of me driving. I don't know where I'm going to stand this, but I think I'm going to figure something out. Probably here, but you guys will see me or something. I need a handle. I don't know how this is going to be, but let's just see. So let me go open the gates and then I'll revise back. Oh my god, I'm kind of freaking out, but I know I got this. So I've started the car. I'm going to put this on revise. This is freaking me out. So guys, I did it. So the guy from so I'm going to pack. I'll be right back. Let me open the gate. So I'm going to do this seatbelt on. Enjoyed my birthday vlog because I'm kind of like kind of boring and nowhere to go, COVID and all of that. I hope that by next year when I turn 22 I'll be able to give you guys some little feature. Nobody in the car like crazy. I'm so excited and happy. First time driving on my own with no adult supervision. Like I'm kind of free baby girl. So I'm going to the site where we're working on. I got my things, my stuff, my box, and pretty much all that things I need. So nothing exciting. I'm so excited, like crazy. Yay! So I'm like, I knew my dad was going to be surprised because my mom gave me this chance. She went to work and she was like, I won't be able to make it. So please, can you just go drop all the stuff for me? I crashed. So guys, my parking was a fail, so I'm calling my younger brother who drives. It's been a while since I drove, so this is the end of the video. Please give it a big thumbs up. First time driving with adult supervision. Oh my goodness, I tried anyway.